Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of 60s and 70s hippie party decorations with the Panelee hanging paper lanterns. If you're looking to throw the best retro-themed party, look no further because these lanterns are your go-to choice. These Panelee hanging paper lanterns are not just decorations. They're a journey back in time to the groovy era of peace signs, tie-dye colors, and flower power. With 12 pieces in various designs like retro flowers, peace signs, and guitars, they bring the essence of the 1960s right into your party space. Each lantern measures about 8 inches in diameter, making them eye-catching additions to both indoor and outdoor settings. They're made from quality paper supported by a sturdy metal frame, ensuring durability throughout your event. Installation is a breeze. Simply unfold, expand with a metal bracket, and hang them wherever you like. What sets these lanterns apart is their authentic tie-dye designs and vibrant colors that instantly set the mood for a 60s-themed celebration. Whether it's a school party, birthday bash, or a themed wedding, these lanterns add a nostalgic charm that guests will love. They're not just for parties. These lanterns are versatile enough for various festive activities. Hang them on your porch, in the backyard, or even indoors to create a festive ambiance. Their classic colors complement any party theme, making them a must-have for anyone wanting to recreate the spirit of the 1960s. While we don't delve into specific customer reviews, it's worth noting that these lanterns have been well received for their quality and thematic appeal. They're Amazon's choice in paper lantern lamps, indicating their popularity among party planners and decorators alike. In conclusion, if you're planning a 60s or 70s themed party and want decorations that truly capture the essence of that era, look no further than the Panelee hanging paper lanterns. Their quality, design variety, and ease of use make them the best choice for transforming any space into a groovy celebration. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on products that make a difference in your celebrations. Until next time, party on!